Welcome to Boogie the Food. My name is Boogie, and this channel has been a little bit asleep for a long time. I just never know what to put on here. I mostly post on my Instagram, same name, Boogie and the Food. And the whole concept of Boogie and the Food is an quite an old concept, to be honest. It stems from the days of Vine. Like the original Vine, they came out with a new one called Divine, and I'm on there now too, but just like on here, I don't ever post anything. So originally on Vine, the name I've been going by on almost all platforms is a Boogie Rock, which is short for Boogie Rockamora, which is the name I go by. And I would just post my vines, doing whatever. And at some point, I started posting me cooking and just doing these little clips of me cooking and being silly, whatever I could do within the confines of 6 seconds, not 60 seconds, 6 seconds. And I made a couple on my Boogie Rock account, and then they got pretty popular enough for me to be like, maybe I should make a specifically food account. So that's where Boogie and the Food came from. I'm just so bad at social media. I'm so bad at recording, editing, and all of that. But here's the thing, I actually kind of want to get into it again. I want to dive into, I don't know, making content. I hate saying that, but I guess making content. I want to talk about the stuff within the realm of food that I love, the things I'm passionate about, the things I feel strongly about, and just the way that I see things, and the way that I do things in terms of the world of food and culinary and all that stuff. I've worked in restaurants for a long time. It's been a long time. I've worked on trying to build my own restaurant. Um, I've done different projects here and there, and yeah, I've got a lot. I've got a lot that's up here that I want to get out. I want to take it a little more seriously than I have been. So if that's something you give a shit about, uh, I'll be here, hopefully. And if you follow me on the other platforms and you see that I'm not posting on a regular basis, slap me around. Say something to me. Keep me accountable. Anyway, all right. So that's all I have for now. Kind of just a reintroduction of me and what I want to do on this channel. I do want to make, do some series about, techniques. Because if you know anything about me, I'm not the recipe guy. I don't give a shit about recipes. I mean, I think they have a time and a place, but I'm more so in the frame of mind of uh, learning techniques, learning how to do specific things and processes, right? And then how those processes get folded into the recipe are more important to me than the recipe itself. Because most of the time, when I see people complain about recipes, it's because they didn't do the techniques correctly. So they'll blame a recipe for being bad when they didn't sear something properly, they didn't braise something properly, they didn't, I don't know, boil something properly. Anyway, that's going to be for another time in another video. Hopefully, it will. Keep me accountable. All right. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.